For the evaluation of indeterminate form 0 into infinity, which appears in the product form, either it is converted to 0 by 0 or it is converted to infinity by infinity. So always my job will be, or I will be trying to convert the term of infinity by bringing it or converting it into fraction form, or by taking the reciprocal in the denominator so that it is converted to 0 by 0. The very first example is evaluate limit extending to 0 x multiplied by tan of pi by 2 minus x. So if you consider the question, when you put the limit, this is 0 and this is tan 90. What is tan 90?
Infinity.
Infinity. So which form it is? 0 into infinity form. I have to convert it into the form 0 by 0. So bring this infinity term by taking the reciprocal in the denominator. See, by taking the reciprocal in the denominator, I am not changing the problem. If you simplify this fraction by applying the logic a by b upon c by d, you will be getting the answer as x into tan of pi by 2 minus x only, right? So we are not changing the problem, we are just modifying the steps so as to get the simplification very easily. And what is 1 upon 10 converted to? What is 1
Cot.
by 10? Cot.
Got
And now it is 0 by 0. And apply the L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule means what? We have to go on taking the derivatives till the denominator is non-zero. Clear? Finished up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So it was very simple example to simplify for the evaluation of the limits. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the answer coming out as, 1 or minus 1?
1.
1. For homework you can note down this. Clear? Note down the example for homework. This is 0 into infinity form. What you do, ये tan को नीचे लेके जाएंगे, so 1 upon tan of pi x by 2, which will be again cot, right? And then it is simplified. ठीक है? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is what we will be doing now. Limit extending to 1 sec of pi x by 2 into log x. Sec of, what is log 1? Tell me, value of
0.
log 1? 0.
0.
What is sec of pi by 2?
Infinity.
Yes. So what is convenient for us to bring it to the denominator?
Sec
Sec
pi x
term.
by 2.
Sec. 1 by sec will become cos, right? So this is how we will be evaluating. Do not disturb log. Log can be easily converted to the zero form by taking the differentiation, right? So that is how the simplification will go. So do not disturb log, keeping log as it is. I will be transferring the term of sec in the denominator. 1 upon sec is cos. Derivative of cos is minus sine. Sine 90 is 1. Cos 90 is 0. Right? So derivative of log x is 1 by x. Derivative of cos pi by 2x is minus sine pi by 2x into constant term is pi by 2. After simplification, I am getting the answer as minus 2 by pi. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is what the simplification is for the value obtained as minus 2 by pi.